So the other beard is out here. We're getting ready to put his gauges in. Right now he's got to figure out his wires. He's using the lighter trick, and we're going to get that sucker in there. Well, he's going to do it. I'm going to stand out here and annoy him. That's what I'm going to do. Now we just got to wire these two things together and get his wires hooked up, and then we'll be able to slip that bad boy on up in there and see how things are working. Just got two wires. I'll see if I can hold it for you.
Oh yeah, you got me.
Yeah.
100% better. Just hold it right there. I can get this tape and everything good.
All right. I can hold it like this for a little bit. Don't go too long though.
All right. Well, let me know when you can't.
I get started going into muscle failure. My whole arm just starts shaking and stuff, and you know, chaos occurs.
All right. Well, hopefully.
Got one.
One more no piece. I just want to make sure there ain't nothing showing.
All right, I'm gonna give it back to you now for a minute. You got it?
Yeah.
That's the tricky bit. They're gonna put everything else in the right spot.
So we got it going. The two. This one is the back battery, and that's the back battery. And you have a switch. Turn the back battery off, and then turn some power to the car on, and then you have the car voltage.
Recoils.
I just want to point out that what you were just seeing was Troy playing full tilt. Troy was playing full tilt on an 8,000 watt amp on 212s, and he's wired at 1 ohm, so he's putting full power out of that thing, and his voltage is rock solid. He's running a big alternator and a Titan-8 back there. It's that Titan-8's like, it was the high dollar one. I forget which one it was, but it was the biggest one that they had. He's wanting to put a different battery back there, a bigger battery, but I really don't see any reason to. Seeing what his voltage is doing just now, looks pretty good, huh? Anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button down below, and let me know what you think. This is the final version of that, so you know, I just want to show you what it ended up working like and how the gauges ended up working. It's hard to read the gauges from the camera because the camera just glares everything up, but they read very clear to the eye. So pretty cool setup, right?
Recoils.